How's it going? This is Darren Johnson, strongmoneyplan.com. Today is June 1st, and so I am going to do an update on my results for the month of May in Copy Pro Traders. So, the first thing that I want to do is I want to fill in this box here so we can see how I did in May. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this row here, go all the way over to profits. We're going to scroll all the way down to the end. So we're going to grab everything. And then we're going to go to data, sort, date of sell. That's what we want. And we can go, let's go newest to oldest. That'll be quicker. Okay. So what that's going to do is that's going to bring up all the closed sales that I've had in the month of May, so we can see what our profit is for that month. So since it's ordered now, we're going to grab profit and we're going to scroll all the way down. And you can see the number at the bottom is changing. We're going to keep going all the way till we get to May 1st. So that would be right there. And then there's our sum at the bottom. So for the month of May, we've made I've made $1,583.33 with an average trade profit of $26.84, and there were 59 closed trades in the month of May. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write that figure down, $1,583.33. We go back up here and we're going to type in 1583.33. Okay, so we've got it here in the field of May, $1,583.33. Now I want to go over a couple of things with you for the month of May, just in full transparency, so you'll see what's going on. So my grand total profit is $3,906.62. And I started back in March. I think it was March 26th. And so as you can see, and in March I had $636.31. Again, that was only for, less than a week of trading. And then April was my first full month and I brought in $1,879.66. And May, there's a little bit less, with $1583.33. So why is that? Well, let's go all the way down to my open trades, and I highlight my open trades in yellow. So anytime you see yellow rows here, that means that these are all my open trades, okay? So I'm in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 open trades at the moment. And you can see that these trades were open. This one was open on the 6th of May. And these are all like within the second week of May. So what happened? Well, these trades are still open because I am holding positions here. The market dipped sometime around the 16th of May, and I'm still waiting for it to, go back up so that I can realize at least the level of investment that I put into it, which is over here. So these are the figures that I put into it. So for Bitcoin, 739.90 and so forth and so on. So once the market reaches a point where I get at least this much back, then I can look towards manually closing my trades, or better yet, letting my professional traders do it, because they just may be able to close it at a profit for me. Right. So that's where I'm at now. I leave these trades open. But the second thing that I wanted to go over with you is this is why we always say in Copy Pro Traders that two things. Number one, trading is risky. And number two, never ever trade or try to flip money that you need right now. Don't put the rent money in here. Don't put your bill money in here. Because this can happen. We can have a dip in the market where we're having to hold our investment. We have to hold it for the market to recover. And so if this was money that you needed to get your hands on within a certain time frame, then you would have to sell at a loss to pull your money out. So my personal strategy is I set aside money for trading, and I see it more as a mutual fund. I don't touch it. I don't need it. It's sort of like a retirement fund. So I don't stress out when I'm in a holding tank any more than if you had a job and you put your money in a 401k, you wouldn't stress out or even be bothered to know what's happening with your money month to month or even day to day. You would trust that your money is in the hands of competent, investment financial advisors, and they're going to take care of it. And when you need it, it'll be there. Well, that's sort of my philosophy for Copy Pro traders. Yes, I check on it periodically. Yes, I input my own data to see how my trades are doing, but I am not going to close a losing trade because I understand the value of cryptocurrency as an asset. And I know that the market fluctuates. It goes up, it goes down. This is part of the cycle of cryptocurrency. So I'm not panicked. If I wanted to get back into trading or I wanted to get something going, then I would have to put in more tether into my account. So that's my choice. And as far as I'm concerned, that's my only choice if I want to get back into active trading right now, would be to put in more tether. But I am not going to relinquish any of these positions because I don't want to lose the profits that I made. I don't want to lose my 1583.33. And as long as I don't trade anything that's at a negative, I won't lose that money. I have not lost that money. It's simply tied up in trades right now. All right. So that's what I wanted to express to you is never, ever, ever trade money you can't afford to lose or you can't afford to set aside into a holding pattern like I've got it right now. All right. If that's indeed the case, you should not be looking to use Copy Pro traders to make a quick buck. You are going to be disappointed because no one can predict the market. Yes, when it's doing well, you see all this green that I've benefited from over the past 3 months, 2.5 months. It's awesome. There's very few losing trades. And when I do lose, it's not that much. $5 here, $1.64 here, $25 here. This one was a pretty big one, 48.09. But look at this one. This came after, how much money did I make? Let's just take a look at this really quickly. So I still cleared $108.34 after taking a $48 loss. All right. So I love Copy Pro traders and I have full confidence in the trading that is going on over there because they're so transparent. And, a couple of traders do an excellent job of keeping us in the loop, of communicating with us and reassuring us of their trading philosophies. And so we know that this isn't bot trading or anything crazy like that. These are actual professional traders, behind the scenes that are executing trades. And then the API keys allow us to participate in their expertise and to be able to profit off of their hard work. They're the ones looking at all the charts and making all the decisions and doing all the hard stuff. All we have to do is sit back, make sure there's enough tether in our own personal accounts, and then allow the API keys to go to work whenever they execute a trade, and we can participate in that trade and make money. All right. So that's the transparency that I wanted to share with you. This is my personalized cryptocurrency trading log. If you want this trading log so you can monitor your own trades, all you got to do is send me an email at strongmoneyplan@gmail.com. And I'll be happy to get it over there to you. If you join me in Copy Pro Traders, this is yours as a bonus for free. If you are already in Copy Pro Traders under someone else, then it's $10 for my spreadsheet, which is more than reasonable considering you're going to be able to track your own trading results by hand to your own personal numbers, and you'll know exactly where you stand in Copy Pro Traders. So this is Darren Johnson, strongmoneyplan.com. Again, going over my trading numbers for the month of May, and I will see you in another video.